In this video, we'll talk about boilerplate code and why modern C# cuts it down. In older versions of C#, we had to start every project with a wall of using directives, namespaces, a class, and a main method, even if all we wanted was to print out a hello world statement. So that's boilerplate. Pretty much it's repetitive code that is required to just get us started. However, we can replace all of that with modern minimal code. So I'm just going to get rid of all of this. Actually, I'd like the title still, so I'll get rid of all of that. And the using statements, and I'll paste. So basically, with the top level statements and global usings, modern C# will get rid of much of that boilerplate. So you don't need the class, you don't need the namespace, or even using system. You just write the logic and I still get the same output. So this shift is about developer productivity. Less boilerplate means less distraction, cleaner code, and a faster path from idea to working program. So if your C# file looks almost empty compared to all tutorials, that's not wrong. That's progress. That basically we let the compiler fill in the boilerplate for us. So I hope this video was helpful to you and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.